Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the 3-bed Eustace home, which is a perfect buy for first-time buyers. Come with me, let's have a look. And as you enter into the property, you're welcomed with lots of space and a long corridor. As we walk down the corridor, there is a storage cupboard on the left-hand side and then a large garage on the right. Now this garage can either be kept as a garage for your car, or additionally, you could convert it into a home gym. Next, we have a downstairs washroom and shower. This helps to provide you with quick and easy access to a shower after you've had a long day or evening at the gym. Next, we have a downstairs utilities room, which has a sink, washing machine and extra storage, perfect after those muddy dog walks or bike rides. Coming up to the first floor, we have the open living and dining space with the French patio doors. This space is perfect for hosting any social gathering. The patio doors help you to let the outside in on those warm summer evenings. We've decorated this room with a mix of light and dark earthy tones. We have feature wall paneling as well as bold abstract artwork. Next, we enter the open plan kitchen and dining area. This is the perfect social space for hosting dinner parties and family breakfasts. Plus, with access to a balcony, you can enjoy those sunny mornings sitting outside with a coffee. And the finishing touch to the first floor is the washroom. Overall, this floor makes for hosting memorable family gatherings and dinner parties. Lastly, we're coming up to the second floor. On our right here, we have the main bedroom. This feels spacious and airy. As we look around the room, you can see there's natural tones running through the walls all the way into the carpet. I really like the gold signature pieces that we have running throughout this room, the dark furniture and also the decorative plants. This room has a large ensuite with a shower, providing a peaceful getaway from the rest of the home. The built-in wardrobe provides extra storage to help you keep those large items out of sight, helping you to keep your home tidy. Next, we have the family bathroom. On first impressions, this space is very generous with its size. Plus, I really like the fact that we've got both a bath and a shower. So for the days where you want to relax, you can relax in the bath, and the days when you have to dash out the door, you have a shower. When it comes to the tiles, we've opted for a grey marble effect. However, if this isn't quite to your liking, you can browse our options and upgrades to find something more to your taste. And next, we're coming into the second bedroom. This has been dressed as a guest bedroom, but it could be changed into a study or whatever benefits your lifestyle. Also, there is a large built-in wardrobe to help keep clutter out of the way. And finally, coming into the last room of this home. This room has been decorated as a children's bedroom. However, it's a flexible space and can be used however you like. So hopefully you've enjoyed the tour of the Eustace home. For any more information, click the link in the description below.